Welcome back to the I upload consistently 2 times a month for you guys to view channel. We're back at Louisville Skate Park. Also like Scion Park at Railroad Park in Louisville. Multiple names, multiple things, multiple opportunities. And you know it's one thing we haven't done in a while? I haven't done like a sweet B-roll montage for you guys, I think even at all. So I think therefore I am. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna go around, get us some B-roll shots, throw that in because everybody loves some buttery B-roll, and we'll just get to it. We're here for a few hours and then on to the rest of the day. Now that, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I sure as heck did. Let me warm up on this little bump to ledge right here. Now, as I'm cruising along over here, I think there's some things I want to try. Ooh, that is a bright sun. I want to do a front flip. Maybe throw in a fakie front flip because I haven't done those. Obviously, back flip, 540. The 3 flips and a 540 are the ultimate special meter, ready to go, Tony Hawk Pro Skater kind of thing. Let's cruise around here. Get the blood flowing, as you guys know. And alright, moving on from there, we're gonna go over the half pipe because it's a fun looking half pipe, and let's be real. It's a little wet in some spots just because it's like morning dew, so we're gonna try to work around those, but we'll see what we can do. You know, it's morning time, it's dewy, it's wet, it's humid, it's cool. There's a lot of mixed emotions going on with this weather right now, so let's just go over there. Yeah. I got the front flip. We're gonna take that one because this is an acceptance channel, and we accept that front flip as a land. First time doing it over like a gap like that, from the quarter to like the bank, that was pretty sweet. I'm gonna try to work on getting it smaller and smaller, so maybe I can do it off like a pyramid type thing or A-frame type stuff. That'd be pretty intense. Woo! Alright, so I'm going to try to grind this thing all the way down. The camera is blocking my way, but I don't see me getting that far. But I'm going to try it. Get speed, and just hopefully it's not sticky. We'll give it a few more goes. I think I can move on to something else. Maybe we'll come back to it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I tried to do a little bit more tricks that are out of my comfort zone. Front flip over the gap, I did a back flip. I couldn't get the grind ledge, that curved long grind ledge, and then the fakie front flip. You know, it is what it is. I guess I just wasn't having it today. I've tried it, just can't seem to pull it around. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please like, leave a comment if you enjoyed the video. You know, just say what's up, get a little chit chat going here. If you're not subscribed already, hit the little subscribe button down at the bottom, you know, elbow drop it, all that good jazzy jazz. For more like behind the scenes ish content and some photos, you know, just check out the Instagram, just check it out. It's right here, right here. Give a little follow if you want to do that. It's up to you, no pressure. It's 2021, do what you want. Do what you want. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.